Hey guys, I just wanted to share this really yummy, easy, gluten-free homemade mac and cheese recipe. It is definitely a family favorite, so I thought I'd share it with you guys and just run through the steps because it's super easy. So we're going to start out by warming up our oven at 425, boiling our gluten-free pasta for 10 minutes. Next, we will start on the roux, and that is frying butter and flour till it's golden brown, then adding milk in gradually and stirring the clumps until it begins to thicken. Next, we add the cheese. Now, guys, mind you, I used the wrong cheese. That was Fiesta Blend. Use sharp cheddar. That will give you that beautiful golden color. Just add the, stir in the pasta. Really simple. Make sure everything gets nice and coated. And then transfer it to a large pan. Then sprinkle additional cheese on top, and then put it in the oven for 25 minutes until golden brown. And that's it, you guys. This is super easy, and it is so delicious. It is a total family favorite, so I hope you guys enjoy this and give it a try yourselves. Thank you guys for watching.